Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun fall Serape inspired tumbler. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and check the description box below for all the products used. And also I have a couple links for my Facebook group and my mentorship group as well. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. Today we will be working on a 24-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. Check the description below for the link and a discount code for you. I took my Cami Page Boutique Ultimate Tumbler tool and made a line going straight up vertically on my tumbler. And then I have cut my vinyl at 5 inches. And I am just going to fold back about an inch of that backing and line it up with the line we made. Start applying your vinyl by pulling back a little bit of that backing and apply firmly with the palm of your hand, making sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles as you go. And then when you reach the beginning of your vinyl, we are going to cut off the excess. And how I do that is I just like to fold back the extra vinyl that I need to cut off and match it up with the line of the beginning of the vinyl. Once you have a really crisp straight line, you can flop it right back over and then it will give you a nice crisp line to follow to cut off with your X-Acto knife. Now I cut a piece of just plain white vinyl at about 2 3/4 inches, and we are going to apply this right above our pattern vinyl. And this will just help when we do our next step to make sure those glitters pop, and this will kind of be a hack for base painting your tumbler. We are going to take 3 different sizes of double-sided tape. I got this tape on Amazon years ago, and we're going to apply it to the white portion of our tumbler, and we are just going to stagger it in different sizes. Once we get the first tape stripe laid down, pick up your second size and just make sure you are hugging those 2 double-sided tapes as close as you can without overlapping. We do not want a gap in between. We are just going to continue to alternate sizes in this tape until you have all of the white part covered. Now I'm going to take this really cute cheetah print foil I got from Southern Belle Glitter, and I'm just going to cut off a smaller portion so it's easier to work with. I'm going to apply this foil to the thickest parts of the tape on my tumbler, and I'm going to do that by just taking off the top layer of that tape, applying the foil, pushing it down firmly, and then before removing it all, I'm just going to make sure that it all adhered really well, and if it didn't, I just stick it right back down and push firmly until I get a nice clean release on those foils. I ended up applying 3 sections of the cheetah foils, and then we are going to move on to glittering with Tidal Wave, Cider, and You Wish. I'm just going to remove the top of one of those double-sided sticky tapes and apply the glitter right on top. going to brush that excess glitter off with just a soft bristle brush and then remove my next section of tape and apply my next glitter color. We are going to continue to do this step, alternating colors until all of our tape sections are full of glitter. For the bottom, I have just taped off, applied glitter glue, and picked one of the 3 glitters that we already used and applied that to the bottom. You're going to spray seal your glitter sections really well with a clear spray. I like Rust-Oleum or Krylon's Triple Thick. Let that dry completely and then add a layer of epoxy. Now that your epoxy has cured, it's time to add your decal. This SVG will be available in my shop, or if you're in my mentorship group, this will be included in your monthly Google Drive. Every single month in my mentorship group, you get 10 new SVGs to use however you would like. This is just an example of one of them. I hand letter each one, which means that they are one of a kind and not a font. If you would like more information on that, there is a link for you down in the description. Also, my decal was being kind of a butthead and wouldn't release the middles of my layers, so I just went up ahead and applied it to my cup and then weeded them after. Now you are going to take your tumbler back over to your turner and add your final layers of epoxy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.